So guys, we have our video and audio track in the timeline. Let's zoom in. Let's hear what we have. So guys, suppose we want to shake our camera at this part. So for that, go to project window, right click, new adjustment layer, press on OK. Bring the adjustment layer to the timeline, stretch it, select the adjustment layer, go to effect or click on this arrow, then select effect from here, then search for directional blur. Left click, drag and drop over the adjustment layer, then go to effect control or from here select the effect control. Increase the blur length, the direction in which we want to shake our camera. After you are done, zoom in, grab the razor tool, single left click, move a little bit, another left click, do it. Now press on V or select the selection tool, select, delete, select, delete. Now delete the last part and the first part. We are almost done. Let's hear the music again. So one shake here, another shake here. As this is our shake effect, so just select it, hold Alt, duplicate it by dragging. So here we want another shake, select again, hold Alt, maybe here another shake. Let's see. That's all. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.